The journey to embracing femininity can be exciting yet overwhelming, especially when it comes to achieving the body shape you desire. For cross-dressers and trans women, breast forms are a key accessory that helps create a natural, feminine appearance. Breast forms are prosthetic devices designed to simulate the look and feel of natural breasts, giving your body a more feminine silhouette. Whether you're dressing for a night out, transitioning, or simply looking to express yourself, the right breast forms can make a big difference. This video will guide you through where to buy breast forms, the types available, and some tips to make your first purchase smooth and successful. Before you jump into purchasing breast forms, it's essential to understand the different types available. Each type serves a different purpose, offering various levels of comfort, realism, and price points. Silicone breast forms are the most popular option due to their realistic look and feel. They mimic the weight, movement, and softness of natural breasts, making them ideal for everyday use or special occasions. Silicone forms can be worn inside bras or attached directly to the skin with adhesive. Many trans women and cross-dressers prefer silicone for its high quality, though it tends to be on the pricier side. If you're looking for a lightweight and affordable option, foam breast forms might be your best bet. Foam forms are soft and breathable, making them comfortable for long-term wear. They are especially useful for beginners who are exploring cross-dressing or transitioning, as they are less expensive and easy to maintain. For those who want convenience and freedom from wearing bras, self-adhesive breast forms are a great choice. These forms have an adhesive backing that sticks directly to your skin, allowing you to go braless while still achieving a natural look. The adhesive is generally safe and skin-friendly, but it's important to choose high-quality options to avoid irritation. For those on a tight budget or looking for a temporary solution, DIY breast forms can be a fun and creative alternative. Common DIY options include filling socks with rice, water balloons, or using padded bras. While these options don't offer the realism of silicone or foam forms, they can serve as an experimental step for beginners. Now that you're familiar with the types of breast forms, the next step is finding out where to purchase them. Whether you prefer shopping in person or online, there are numerous reliable sources that offer high-quality breast forms tailored to the needs of cross-dressers and trans women. Here are some of the best places to buy breast forms. Specialty stores that cater specifically to the transgender and cross-dressing community are often the best places to buy breast forms. These stores understand the unique needs of their customers and often offer a wide range of options. Some well-known stores include the Breast Form Store, a popular online retailer that specializes in breast forms for all body types, along with other feminizing products like wigs and lingerie. The store offers a variety of silicone and foam breast forms, as well as adhesive forms. Glamour Boutique, another trusted store for cross-dressers and trans women, offering high-quality breast forms, clothing, and accessories. Glamour Boutique provides a detailed sizing guide to help you choose the right form. Femme, known for its range of products for transgender women, Femme offers silicone breast forms, shapewear, and other feminizing products to help you achieve a seamless, feminine look. Shopping at these specialty stores ensures you're getting a product specifically designed for your needs, along with expert advice on sizing, style, and care. Online marketplaces like Amazon and eBay offer a wide range of breast forms, often at competitive prices. The advantage of shopping online is the convenience of browsing various brands and reading customer reviews before making a purchase. However, quality can vary greatly, so it's important to do your research before buying. Amazon has a vast selection of breast forms in all shapes, sizes, and materials. The platform is a great place for first-time shoppers, as it provides extensive customer reviews and ratings that can guide your decision. If you're looking for deals on breast forms, eBay can be a good option. You'll find both new and used breast forms at discounted prices. However, be cautious when purchasing second-hand forms to ensure they're in good condition. Some lingerie and adult stores carry breast forms, though their selection may be more limited than specialty retailers. These stores can be a good option if you prefer trying on breast forms in person before making a purchase. Plus, Many lingerie stores cater to diverse body types, making them a supportive environment for cross-dressers and trans women. Medical supply stores that specialize in post-mastectomy breast prosthetics can also be a valuable resource for cross-dressers and trans women. While these forms are designed for women who have undergone mastectomy surgery, they are often high quality and designed to look natural. Visiting a medical supply store may provide more personalized service and fitting advice. Finally, don't overlook local LGBTQ+ organizations and support groups as potential sources of information and resources. Some LGBTQ+ centers may sell breast forms or have connections to local retailers who do. Additionally, they may offer second-hand forms for those on a budget or in need of temporary solutions. When buying breast forms, there are several factors you should take into account to ensure you're making the right choice. Choosing the right size and shape is crucial to achieving a natural look. Breast forms come in a variety of sizes, from small to large, and in different shapes like teardrop, round, or asymmetrical. It's important to choose a form that complements your body proportions and matches your desired look. If you're planning to wear breast forms with low-cut tops or dresses, matching your skin tone is essential for a seamless appearance. Many high-quality breast forms come in different skin tones, so be sure to select one that closely matches your own. Breast forms vary widely in price, so it's important to set a budget before you start shopping. Silicone forms tend to be more expensive but offer the most realistic look and feel. Foam and DIY options are more affordable but may not offer the same level of realism. Breast forms, particularly silicone ones, require regular maintenance to ensure they last a long time. Consider how easy the forms are to clean and care for, and whether they come with a warranty or replacement policy. If it's your first time shopping for breast forms, the process can feel intimidating. Before making a purchase, spend some time researching the different types of breast forms and reading reviews from other users. Many online retailers provide detailed customer feedback, which can give you valuable insight into the quality and fit of the product. Proper measurement is key to finding the right size breast forms. Measure your chest circumference and use sizing charts provided by retailers to determine the best size for you. Most breast forms come with specific sizing instructions to help you make an informed decision. If you're new to wearing breast forms, it's a good idea to start with more affordable options, such as foam or DIY forms. This allows you to experiment with different sizes and styles without making a large financial commitment up front. Once you're comfortable, you can invest in higher quality silicone forms. Different occasions call for different looks, so consider buying multiple pairs of breast forms. For example, you may want a smaller, more subtle pair for everyday wear and a larger, more dramatic pair for special events. When you first receive your breast forms, try them on in the privacy of your home to see how they feel and look. This will give you time to adjust to wearing them and ensure they fit properly before venturing out in public. If you opt for self-adhesive breast forms, be sure to choose products that are gentle on your skin. High-quality adhesives are designed to be skin-safe, but some users may still experience irritation. If this happens, switch to a different adhesive or try wearing the forms inside a bra instead. Buying breast forms is an important step in creating the feminine look you desire, and it doesn't have to be a daunting experience. By understanding the different types of breast forms, exploring reliable places to buy them, and considering key factors like size and budget, you can make an informed decision that leaves you feeling confident and comfortable. Remember to take your time, do your research, and start with what feels right for you. With the right breast forms, you can enhance your femininity and express yourself fully, whether at home, out on the town, or anywhere in between. Finally, we would like to express our gratitude for watching till the end. We hope you found the video valuable and informative. If so, please show your appreciation by hitting the like button and leaving us a comment below. We are eager to hear from you. In the end, we have a humble request to you. We are trying hard to keep you enlightened and empowered by creating awesome videos like this. Please support us by joining our membership program. The link is in the description. Your little contribution will inspire us to make more awesome content for you like this. The next video will be published tomorrow, so don't miss it. Till then, take care. More wisdom, more solutions, better life.